Hey, it's Bailey Bible here at IP Truck for another episode of Shop Talk. Today, in this crazy world and all the uncertainty that is going on, IP Truck wants to reassure you that we are still your #1 preferred service provider for the DFW area. We are ramping up and not slowing down, and we are hiring lots of folks to help support your fleet's needs. Whether you have an Allison, Cummins, Hino, Isuzu, have parts needs, or paint and body work, we are here for you. IP Truck really is your one-stop shop. Whether you are a first responder, an ISD, or a city, we have lots of contracts that you can piggyback. If you're a first responder, we were just awarded the TIPS contract, which is that national co-op, and it has amazing pricing for you. If you're an ISD, we have 5 currently active contracts that you can piggyback on, and there are 4 more in the works that are just waiting to be awarded. If you're a city, there are over 14 active contracts that you can piggyback as well, including that TIPS contract for your first responder vehicles. If you have an Allison, we are one of the only 2 full service and rebuild centers in the entirety of North Texas. So whether you need warranty work, a little bit of your PMs, or a full rebuild, we are here for you. On the Cummins, we are one of 5, and we have 2 of the 5 locations. And again, that is for full service and rebuild centers. Now on parts, we provide all makes, Hino, Isuzu, Allison, Cummins, and then some of your one-off products that you may need, we can absolutely provide that for you. We have 2 DFW locations with McKinney and Fort Worth, and our drivers shuttle parts all day long. On the paint and body repairs, whether you are a first responder vehicles and you got 2 fire engines that ran into each other, or you're an ISD with a corner cap blown out on your box truck, some paneling that needs to be fixed, or a lift gate that just won't work properly, we are here for you for that as well. If you have any questions over what IP Truck can do for you, please contact me directly at 214-277-1590. And again, this is Bailey Bible with IP Truck, your municipality account manager. Have a great day.